Hey everyone, welcome to FixMaster. Today we'll show you how to delete your watched Facebook videos permanently in Chrome. Let's get started. To begin, open the Chrome app and open Facebook website. Then, log into your Facebook account if you haven't already. After Facebook website is opened, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the navigation menu. Then click on View Your Profile, then click on three dots button. Then click on Activity Log. Scroll down at the end and you will find Logged Actions and Other Activity. Then click on View Logged Actions. Then click on Filters and then click on Categories. Select option Videos you have watched. It will show you the history, then click on the three dots button of the video you want to delete. Click on three dots and then click on Delete. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your watched Facebook videos in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you